What is reshoring?
To me, for manufacturing, is products that used to be made or at one time were made overseas and coming back to the U.S. To be made in the U.S. for consumption in the U.S.
Why is reshoring important to U.S. manufacturing as well as Connecticut manufacturing?
The immediate thing is this reduces our trade deficit. We have a very large trade deficit with many countries, and with that trade deficit, we become poorer as we're a net importer of product and sending cash to them, and it makes them wealthier, right? That's where the value is being created. This creates employment within the U.S. and Connecticut, and there's also a multiplier, because not only does it create employment with the jobs that are manufacturing that, but there's also a multiplier where suppliers are now busier and hiring people. Also, a lot of the other industries are supported by this: banking, insurance, healthcare, right? So, also tax revenues are generated off that from us hiring people. So, it really becomes significant, right? And then specifically for Connecticut, has lost so much of its industrial base, right, due to offshoring over time, right? Getting this back, is really important, I think, in getting Connecticut moving in a positive direction, where we are adding value, in Connecticut.